welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie this scarf in a few different ways. I picked up this really cute vintage Christian Dior scarf from the app Heroin. If you guys are familiar with the app Grail, that one is like a high street menswear reselling app. And Heroin is like the women's version of that. Originally this one was listed for $100, but I was able to kind of negotiate and I brought it down to $75, which is really nice. So what's great about the app is that you can put offers in, you can put bundles in for discounted pricing, and they have like a ton of really good brands. They have a lot of new stuff and old stuff. I saw a lot of vintage designer pieces as well as a lot of really exclusive, like rare, hard to find items. Summer is finally here and I've been seeing a lot of like scarf print items and like scarf inspired tops and dresses like in stores and online. I was really drawn to this scarf just because of like the colors. I'm really into kind of like bold, vibrant colors right now. I'm really into orange and I like this blue color. And I thought that because it also has this like tan color and black in the middle, it'll match a lot of things. So when shopping for scarves, you want to make sure that the sizing of the scarf that you're getting is going to be big enough to cover your body if you want to like wear it in different ways like a top or a skirt. In this case, this scarf is 30 inches by 30 inches and it's more on the bigger side of scarves, which is nice. So before I bought this, I took a tape measure and just like measured my body just to make sure that this scarf would be able to like wrap around my like chest and my waist and be able to tie. And luckily it does. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways of how you can transform this scarf and wear it as a top and bottom. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this type of content. I really like taking a piece and trying to find different ways in wearing it just so I can like extend its lifetime and get more wear out of an item. And I love to buy vintage. I'm definitely into buying more vintage pieces now. So if you guys are interested in finding some cool pieces, definitely check out the app Heroin. I also love finding items on like Depop, Poshmark, and eBay as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a video, and I'll see you in the next one.